Hey guys, and welcome back to LS Techs. Today I've got something really nice. This is a USB-C hub. It's from this weird company, I can't pronounce the name, but on Amazon it's called the GN30C USB-C hub. It's currently Amazon's choice for USB-C hubs. So it's a 7-in-1 hub made of aluminium. It's type C, comes in 4 different colors. So you got your space gray, or your gray, your silver, your gold, and your pink, gold, rose gold. So you can see it looks really nice. So it's got 7 ports. So it's got 3 USB 3 ports at the front, which are all 5 gigabytes data transfer speed. You got USB-C for charging as well, HDMI, micro SD card, and SD card slot, which is really nice. And the HDMI does 4K at 30 frames as well as 1080 at 30 frames. We've got no 60 frames here, which is a bit downer, but if you're okay with 30 frames per second, this is great. It works very well. The build is extremely good, guys. It's solid, it's aluminium, it's just top class. Overall, it has everything you need for the price. It's a bit expensive, it is £70, but you are getting 7 ports and you're getting a nice build. You just got a rubber feed at the bottom, all the connections you need, and overall it's a great product, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Take care.